Alright guys, welcome to the extra section. Really excited here to give you some more extra tips and tricks to kind of help you with your affiliate marketing and your email marketing and gathering, targeted leads here. So you can see that right here overnight, I let it run on Make Money Online and it generated roughly 3,100 emails, so that's cool. And what I did is I snagged them all, as you can see here. There's 4 snags because they were pretty long. So I will be putting them into an Excel file, but I kind of wanted just to show you, an alternative method to doing this and I'm still searching for a better way to, 100% gather every single email because like I said previously, there is an issue with 100% accuracy in gathering the emails. There's no software out there, at least to my knowledge currently, that captures these emails all 100% accurate. So, you're going to have, there might be like 80-90% accuracy, but you're going to have some that it just doesn't work for, and you're going to have to go through manually or just, ignore that. You can get, like I said, 3,100 overnight every single night. It's not, the end of the world if 1 or 2 of them isn't 100% accurate, but obviously, ideally, we would like them to be. So a more accurate way that I've found to do it, and you can do this too, and this also helps if you lose your Snagit 14-day free trial and for whatever reason can't get another one. This will help you too. Although if you're building long email lists, overnight or you're sitting there generating big ones, it will take you a while. So let's just go through it really fast, and I'll show you exactly another way that you can do it. If you don't have Snagit or if you want, a more accurate method. So what you're going to need for this is a OneNote account. And I have a Microsoft account, so I have OneNote up already. And you're going to need your Snag tool or your snip tool, depending on if you have Windows or if you're on a Mac. It's going to depend. But there's a snip tool or a Snag tool that you can use for free on either one of those. So you just have to find it, Google it if you don't know where it is. And all I'm going to do basically is I'm going to use my snip tool to snip these, much like Snagit would. And then I'm going to use that, and once it's snipped, I'm going to go into OneNote, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to paste it. And what this will do is it will paste the picture in there. Now one of the cool features of OneNote is you can take the text from the pictures, but it's obviously not as accurate, or it's not 100% accurate like I said before, but it is more accurate, at least in my experience, and I'll show you in a minute. So then you're going to, once you right click copy text from picture, and then you're going to go off the picture and you're going to paste and keep text only. And you'll see it pastes all the text. So that's a pretty cool feature, but you see it is fairly accurate with most of these, as you can see. But this last one right here, as scrolling down, the DUCZ, it missed that one. So DUCZ, and I'm sure there's some other ones in here too. One of the great features of OneNote too is like if something's misspelled, it will tell you. So like, obviously that didn't work, but usually there'll be red underlines under misspelled words. So if like for whatever reason it copied partner wrong and it misspelled that, there would be a red underline under it. So it will bring that to your attention most of the time. But you're still going to want to, organically and manually go through and check them. I think this copy's like 30, maybe 32 at a time or 38 at a time, whatever the limit was on Atomic Email Hunter for your window. But just a better, more accurate method, and then literally once you copy them, you can just paste them. Oops, let's go back and copy these. And then we're going to paste them into Excel, just the same way. And boom, there you go. And you can continue, so it's 33, I guess. And you can continue to replicate that process over and over again, and that will be much more accurate, although it will take you some more time. So that's another way to get around if you don't have the Snagit trial. You can just snip and use your free snip tool, but just wanted to bring that to you a little bit of another method.